Tonight's theme is demons. These messengers of evil have made countless appearances in religion and literature, mythology, folklore, and even modern entertainment. There have been so many interpretations that could easily fill volumes. Tonight's makeup is yet one more version to add to that hellish pile. A take, you could say, that's a little more unconventional.
Put on a latex bald cap and glue it down with prosthetic. Cut a hole on each side and pull the ears through. Then apply the glue to each ear and put on some latex Gremlin Woochie ears. Put prosthetic on the center of the face and line up the nose and get the rest of the face in position, then start to glue down the rest of the face. Once that's down, sponge some latex on the edges to better blend it into the skin. Followed by applying prosthetic all over the whole piece. Powdered everything with Skin Illustrator Zero Color Powder. Use Wolfe FX Hydrocolor in white to sponge a quick base. Also spattered some of the white for some more breakup. Taking Peridot Lizard out of the Skin Illustrator Nova 6 palette, airbrush some shadow areas and put some around the mouth and on the forehead. Back to the Nova 6 palette, use Phoenix on the outer areas of the green and then some spatter. In that same palette, take Mediterraneo and an orange stipple sponge and start to map out some areas. Switching to a larger brush to build the color up further, then a thinner one for some smaller areas in the sculpt. Grabbing the Nova palette again, this time with Purple Rain, pretty much fill the rest of the unpainted areas. Taking Mediterraneo again, blend it into the purple to create a deeper purple color. Then with Peridot Lizard, build up the original places and blend them better into the Phoenix color. Seal everything with Skin Illustrator Zero Marble Sealer. With Skin Illustrator Starry Night, paint in the darker shadows and use an airbrush for larger shading. Start adding some splotchy creature textures. Then use Skin Illustrator Rubie-Oh around the eyes and the edge of the ears, lips, and nose tip. Next, with Skin Illustrator Black, carefully airbrush the deepest parts. Also doing some light contouring. Begin to paint, spotting textures from the larger black shadows. Darken more with Phoenix and spatter those same areas. Use a Skin Illustrator Peridot Lizard and build up some of the color some more, just like we did with the orange. Did end up going back with some more Phoenix on the forehead area. Taking Skin Illustrator in white with a thicker mixture, rake over the high points with a fan brush. With a detail brush and Mediterraneo, paint some of the textures on either side of the nose. Airbrush that same color to deepen it and softly blend. Add some Rubie-Oh around the eyes and around some of the purple areas to get some more color blends. With a brush, paint Rubie-Oh color on the outer edges of the nose and lips. Now that we're starting to look like a creature that eats Lisa Frank characters, throw in those contacts. Clean up around the eyes, start to put some finer spots on. Use Kat Von D Lash Liner on the waterline. With the Collective Cosmetics Abyss eyeshadow, blend out around the eyes, and softly shade around the mouth. And there you go. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And check back for more Halloween tutorials. Till next time.